There we go. What's that? Wow!
There's something in there.
Oh boy. Is it a basketball? Wow, that's so nice. What is it?
Under Armour.
Oh my goodness!
More Under Armour.
Oh, nice. Wow!
More Under Armour.
How many do you need?
A lot.
Apparently, whoa.
This one's Nike.
Oh, I'm glad it's long sleeve. Thanks, Dad.
Dad.
It's cold out there.
What do you say to Dad? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Hey, look at the camera.
Shorts. These are like the ones that Peyton had.
Those are short shorts.
Cool.
Oh boy. Jeez, it just keeps going. Oh, those are nice.
Keeps going. These are the pants that Lily had.
Aw. Yeah. Oh, card. Okay, well, we gotta go through your old clothes and get rid of some that you aren't wearing anymore.
There's still more. American Express. What's that for?
I don't know.
Gas?
It's a gift card, I think. I hope. $25. Gift card, honey.
Nice.
For anything?
Who's it from?
Tasha?
What? Junior. Junior, your uncle. And Tasha, his wife.
Thank you.
Wow. Nice bag. The one you wanted?
Yeah.
Cool.
This one kind of got rubbed off, Mama.
Tia and Alejandra.
Tia
and
Alejandra.
Alexia. Wow.
Pajamas!
Those are nice. What's on it?
You make my dish so sweet. And then it's these pajamas.
Cute.
And then,
Ooh, Old Navy.
Mommy, this is. Take what you got.
Ooh, is it zip up? Yes.
Yeah.
That is really nice.
Thank you, Alejandra and Alexia. Two gifts from Rosa and Victoria. Oops, the handle
Oops.
broke.
Wow. Okay, I'm getting rid of all those sweatshirts that don't fit you or that you don't wear anymore. Ooh. Oh, it's so fuzzy. Look.
Ninja.
That's cute. Nice.
Pants of me. There one more. Here's another California outfit.
Ooh.
Wow.
Thank you.
Look in the camera, honey.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rosa and Victoria.
Thank you, Rosa and Victoria.
Who's that from?
Another one.
Nina.
Nina.
Ooh.
Present. Thank you.
Okay, you can give Grandpa his back now. She took your. Ooh, that's super soft. Let
Mommy.
Grandma feel that.
I was thinking of on the fourth Friday of this month.
Yeah.
I was thinking about bringing Olaf and my Olaf blanket.
Yeah.
But now I'm gonna bring this one and Olaf.
Ooh, let Grandpa feel how fuzzy it is.
Nice.
Thank you, Nina. Two grays from Andy and
Arthur? Or no, Andy. and-
Maria.
Maria, Auntie Maria.
Naughty, 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 Auntie Maria.
I need your hat.
Close, I think.
Ooh. Here's.
It's three lipsticks.
Yum.
They're not delicious.
They look yummy. Ooh.
Yo.
Minnie. I think this one's frozen.
I think you're right.
Hold it up in front of you.
And then
Long sleeve. Nice.
Thank you, Maria and Andy. Grandma and Michael.
Emma and Michael.
Not bad.
I think the duffel bag full of clothes was from Dad, and I think the card was from, yeah. We could call him and confirm that, but I think that was how it went. Nice.
Nike sweatshirt.
Oh, nice zip up Nike. It's very nice.
The sparkly Nike.
Wow.
And matching.
Whoa, those are cool.
My goodness.
What do you
I don't know
say?
what to wear now.
Thank you, Emma and Michael.
Perfect timing.